Today we are doing an unboxing for this Skil PWR CORE 40 Brushless 40V electric leaf blower. Being part of the PWR CORE 40 family means that the battery that comes with this leaf blower can also be used to power all of these different PWR CORE 40 lawn and garden tools. In addition, the Skil PWR CORE 40 battery also comes with the power jump feature, which means that you can charge it from 0 to 30% in just 15 minutes, which is perfect for those jobs where you just need a little bit more power. In addition, you can charge the battery from 0 to 100% in just 1 hour. The PWR CORE 40 battery has been improved, with the individual cells being wrapped in a cooling material that gives it a 25% longer runtime and double the battery life. It is also IPX4 water resistant, meaning that it could be exposed to a light rain or splashed with some water and it won't damage the blower. So let's see what comes inside the box. Inside the box you get all of the following items. First, you have the blower itself, along with the quick release tube that you can easily put on and off the blower, allowing it to be stored in smaller spaces. You get the PWR CORE 40 battery, the battery charger, and you get the instruction manual and information you need regarding the 5-year warranty from Skil. Attaching the quick release tube is a breeze. All we need to do is that, and it's attached. And to release it is just as easy. You just push this button and pull, allowing you to store it in very small spaces. Charging the PWR CORE 40 battery is a breeze. All you need to do is place this portion of the battery over this portion of the charger. So we flip it over and simply slide it on, and it will begin charging immediately. The number of lights on the battery shows how much of a charge it has. And once all 4 of these lights are solid and not flashing, you will know that it has a full charge. This battery can be charged from 0% to 30% in approximately 15 minutes, and it can be fully charged from 0 to 100% in about an hour. Another thoughtful feature about this blower is that the charger comes with these convenient mounting holes on the bottom, so that you can mount it on the wall and get it up and out of the way. So if you were to mount it on the wall, it would end up looking like this, and all you would have to do is just slide the battery on like so. I hope this video was helpful.